everybody, Luminestra here. So I have been asked a lot lately, how do I take my Twitch clips and edit them into TikToks or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels? Today I have a tutorial for you guys that I found free versions of everything that I use. So I typically use a paid program. What I did is instead I wanted to find something that was easy, that was free, and that you can actually do from your phone. And that's exactly what I found for you guys today. So stick around and I will show you step by step on how to do that. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Twitch and find the clip that you want. From there, you're going to actually copy the URL. You're going to open a web browser source and you're going to go to ClipR. From there, you're going to paste your URL into their box. Now, here's where things get a little bit complicated for iPhones. You then have to hit the download button, you have to hold it to be able to save it, and then you go into the video that you've just downloaded to be able to save to your phone. Where I used to use an Android, and it used to be one simple button, it would say save to this device, and it would skip an unnecessary step. But iPhones have to confuse and complicate things, so you'll see here this is exactly what I'm doing. So I checked out a few different free apps to edit some videos. This is the one that I found the most helpful. Hashtag not an ad, but hey, listen, InShot, hit a girl up. So it is in fact InShot, which allows you to layer your clips, which is really, really interesting. And that's how I do my clips in a paid program, and this free app allows you to do it. Yes, you can pay for extra features. They've got some incredible features that you can use. Some are paid, some are free. But for just basic editing video right now, this was, for me, my clear winner. I'm not here to show you all of its features. You guys can explore that on your own. What I'm here to show you is how to edit these videos. The first way to do it is by bringing in your main clip that you want. Then you're going to click on the canvas and you're going to switch to whatever setting you want. Obviously, for this tutorial, I'm going to be picking the TikTok format. Before you leave the canvas, you can see that you can zoom in and out. This is how I also edit my videos, where I zoom it in, so you're only seeing a portion of my screen, because I'm going to be showing the face cam on a different section later on. What I like about this program is that it automatically blurs the background on your main video. I think that's a really neat feature, because I also use that when I edit in my Corel Studios. I purposely blur the background. As you can see, this is quite user-friendly. You can trim a video, you can edit the audio, you can put music on, you can put stickers. There's a ton of features that they have. For this clip, I don't have to trim anything because it's already the perfect length that I wanted it from the Twitch clip, but if you needed to trim it, you can. This is where this app stands out for me. When you click on Pip, what it allows you to do, it allows you to layer a clip on top of each other. So what I recommend you do is actually mute your initial clip, because your second clip is going to have your face cam. That you want to make sure is perfectly in sync the audio, because it's a lot easier to see when your mouth is moving if the audio is desynced. So I muted my initial clip and left the audio of my second clip because it's the exact same clip, but it's just with my face. The next step is really simple, it's easy. All you have to do is crop the video and then drag and drop where you want the video to be. You'll see here that I line it up on top like I do every single one of my videos. What I also like to do in my TikTok videos is that I will add a text right at the beginning, and I will use that as my thumbnail, so to speak, so people know what the video is going to be about. Again, lots of cool features you can explore, but it's that simple. You can then save it. Because it's a free app, you're gonna get an ad. It is what it is. They have to make their money somehow too. Once you watch the ad, you will see that the video is saved on your phone. From that, go into your TikTok, your YouTube, your Instagram, wherever you want to post this, and simply post the video. And it's that simple. That is a free version. You can sit on your butt and just be able to edit as many TikToks as you want. I think it's amazing. I wish I would have known about this app a long time ago, but it is what it is. We're here now. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're struggling with anything else that you are thinking of how to do this for content creation. I've been doing this for 4.5 years now. I did take this job on full time about 6 months ago, so I'm really trying to get as much content out there as I can to really help you guys grow your communities, learning through my mistakes and growing together. Lastly, obviously subscribe to the channel. I would love to see this YouTube channel grow. It's going to be a mix of gaming as well as helpful tips and tricks for content creation. So stick around between those two mixes because those are my two passions. And I'll see you guys next time.